Hey, all that weight, where you betting at? All that weight, right? He supposed to lose, huh? You betting 50? He betting 50. Hey, y'all, you on my YouTube channel? My car's there. Look out. Hey, you on my YouTube channel? Look out, racing man.
I'm the driver of that purple truck.
Oh, the purple truck?
Yeah, not Charger.
Okay, oh, the Charger.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, where you from?
In Cali.
Who?
I already know it, Cali. West
Oh,
Coast,
okay,
baby.
from the Cali, West
Yeah,
Coast, y'all. Got a lot of people
know.
from Cali that came. Hey, Miss. What's her name? Miss. This is my YouTube channel. You gonna make sure you subscribe, Miss. I got some people talking about they know you, Miss. I got 2 people on here talking about they know you. Yeah. Yeah, I got people all the way. I got people all the way in Cali. There you go. Look out. You too. That I got 2. It don't matter. I gotta give you another. That's for your uncle. That's for your uncle. You gotta get a card for your uncle.
I got you.
Okay, she gonna get that to her uncle. He gonna delay through Theo. She gonna delay Magusta, y'all. Okay, she gonna delay Magusta. What he got, old boy from Cali? What he talking about? Okay, so he finna do something, y'all. He all the way out of Cali. He finna do something. Got my boy Allen in the building, y'all. She all the way. My boy say, yeah, Edward and Joseph Meyer. Joseph Meyer, he the one telling me he went to school with you. Joseph Meyer went to school with you. Let me see who else. Let me see, do I know anybody else over here? Hell no. Look out, you on my YouTube channel? Yeah, man, check it out. Who your mama? Who your mama over here? Somebody talking about, man, you got some kids?
Hey, it's like Denver right now is 65 degrees. It's hot as fuck down here in Texas.
Oh, okay.
I just came from Denver.
Oh, he just came from Denver?
This morning.
Oh, this her kid right here, y'all. Okay. See, somebody talking about, man, is that, nah, that ain't.
No, her name not Tiana.
No, that's not Tiana.
No, it's not.
That's not Tiana. They thought that was Tiana, y'all. That's not her. That's not, huh? Oh, they like that. Look, they like that. What is that? Let me see something else. I'm finna go check it out right now. Okay, here you go right here. Okay, yeah, throwing up all these damn gang sign. Look out, look out. Yeah, man, I'm gonna give you the back tire hit, clear, and let you get to the 60 foot. All right. Huh?
I said that Capri gonna smoke my shit, but let's run.
Nah, I'm bullshitting, man. I got somebody else to race. I don't even feel like racing. Fuck that. Let me see. Instagram. Uh-oh, they back. Oh, no, they ain't. Hey, look out, y'all on my YouTube channel. Yeah. Mito, you on my YouTube channel? Yeah, man. Y'all check it out. I'm gonna be back. I gotta go. Look out, look out. Got my boy right here, y'all. He already ready. Hey, man, we gonna go off the trailer or what? Huh? Yeah, so what
the trailer right now.
So all I gotta do is just pull in over here.
Make it hit, man.
Oh, man, I'm trying to come off the trailer, man. Cause if you scare me, I ain't gonna run.
I'm on new everything.
Okay.
I don't know what the fuck. That bitch might do a backflip.
Okay, well.
Don't get scared, don't run.
No, well, you can't.
Don't run.
Don't make no badass pass and then think I'm finna still get up there.
Don't let that hood scare
Well,
you.
don't scare me.
All right. Don't make that hood scare you.
Yeah, I see that new hood now. Hell no.
I had to do some
I'm
shit.
finna see.
Hey, look, don't go nowhere.
Let me see.
Close.
Hey, y'all, he done went and got a new hood, y'all.
Man, it's just a motor. I had to get different motor.
He done got a different motor, new hood to go with it. This motherfucker done spent some money, y'all. Oh, shit. Yeah, man. They probably just switched this shit up. Now he probably can. Man, dang. I'm finna see. They finna show me what they working with. I'm finna see. I can't, man. I'm finna see, y'all. CJ the Ghost say I'm getting set up, y'all. Yeah. Okay. How many stickers do I have? I got a couple of them. Nah, I ain't bought no tires. I need to buy some. Tires that went up, man. They like $700, $750 for 2 tires. I ain't got it like that, huh?
I say you check that posters out?
Yeah. Yeah, I got some stickers over here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hey, yeah. He done bought a new hood, new motor. Man, ain't no telling what else he got. Yeah, ain't no telling what else he got. I know he bought a lot. Hey. Oh, I hope it ain't enough to scare me though. I ain't a scary bro. Okay. Really? Yeah. He need to turn it down now. Not a real fan of the tacos here, bro.
I'm not a big eater out here. I try to save it for the house.
Yeah.
I try to save my cash for car shit that I can't afford. Subaru upgrades.
Yeah, that Subaru's fucking killing the pocket, dude.
The weed, man, that's what's killing the pocket.
Yeah,
I
man.
Start growing is what I need to do.
Yeah, we're gonna start
about
growing
20
this
years
shit.
of growing experience and then get the setup and then do
Yeah, he's gonna be 86 by the time he fucking gets it.
Pass was good.
Oh yeah.
It's moving.